To transfer an Apple gift card to PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a PayPal account and an Apple gift card with a sufficient balance. Begin by selling your Apple gift card to a reputable gift card exchange website such as Raise or Cardpool. These websites allow you to list your gift card for sale and receive payment via PayPal once the card is sold. Create an account on the gift card exchange website of your choice and list your Apple gift card for sale. Provide the gift card details including the card balance and any other required information. Once your gift card is sold, the website will notify you and provide instructions on how to receive your payment. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method and enter your PayPal email address. The payment will be processed and transferred to your PayPal account. This process may take a few days to complete depending on the website's payment processing time. It is essential to note that selling your Apple gift card to a gift card exchange website may result in receiving a lower value than the original card balance. The amount you receive will depend on the website's fees and the demand for Apple gift cards. To avoid any potential scams, ensure you use a reputable gift card exchange website and follow their guidelines carefully. Always check the website's reviews and ratings before listing your gift card for sale. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your Apple gift card to PayPal. This method provides a convenient way to convert your gift card balance into cash that can be used for various online transactions.